Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best cordless drill that makes home repairs faster, easier, and smarter. Whether you're a DIY lover or a pro, this tool is built to impress. Let's get started. Product features: powerful 20V battery. The Deco Pro cordless drill is powered by a 20V 1.5Ah lithium-ion battery, delivering consistent power for hours. You'll experience fewer recharges, stronger torque, and smooth drilling performance every time. Dual variable speeds. This drill features two adjustable speed settings, giving you complete control for any task. Use low speed for delicate screw driving or high speed for drilling into tougher materials like wood or metal. 18+1 torque settings. With 18+1 torque levels, you can fine-tune the drill's power to match your project. It prevents overdriving screws and protects surfaces from damage, ensuring clean, professional results every time. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, this drill is easy to carry and comfortable to use. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue, making it perfect for extended work sessions or overhead drilling tasks. Battery and charger included. No need to buy extras. The Deco Pro comes with both a battery and charger, so it's ready to use straight out of the box. This adds great value and convenience for every buyer. Built-in LED work light. A bright LED light illuminates dark corners, letting you work precisely even in low-light spaces like under sinks or inside cabinets. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in accuracy. Pros: strong and long-lasting battery performance, lightweight and portable for easy use, LED light and ergonomic grip for comfort, multiple torque settings for precision. Comes with charger and battery, ready to go. Cons: not ideal for heavy industrial drilling. One battery included, a spare might be handy for large projects. Final thoughts: the Deco Pro cordless drill is the perfect combination of power, precision, and portability. Whether you're hanging frames, assembling furniture, or drilling metal, it's designed to handle every task with ease. Tackle every project like a pro with this amazing tool. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome gadget finds.